As of now, Google is providing only 15 gigabytes of cloud storage to its users. But in case this 15 gigabytes get filled up and you want more storage, you need to pay then for every additional GB. So here are 3 things you can do to get additional cloud storage. The process to get additional Google Photo storage for free has been disclosed at the mentioned timestamp. So first one is pretty simple to spend money and get the storage you want. Second, you can switch to an alternate app that provide unlimited free cloud storage, and for that purpose, I personally recommend to use Telegram. To understand how you will actually get free and unlimited cloud storage, watch this tutorial over here. But some of my viewers have complained that Telegram is not working properly. So here's what you can do. Use Google Photos shared album feature to get additional storage for free. You have an Google account with 15 gigabytes of storage. And now we will create a second account which will also get 15 gigabytes of storage. And in that second account, Google Photos, we will create a shared album and will connect it to our main account. So now we can back up our images to that album and all that backed up content will be visible on our main account as well. When that account fills up, just remove that, create another one and repeat the process. This is my main account with around 695 MB consumed by Google Photos. And this is the second account which is completely empty. Now in the second account, I am creating a shared album named Backup and I will share it with my main account. So now I will add one video that is around 55 MB to my second account and add it in this shared album as well. And now you can see it's showing that my second Google account has consumed 55 MB out of 15 gigabytes. And in my main account, it's still 695 MB. But I can view, save or do whatever I want to do with my video on second account and on my main account as well. Now, if the second account gets filled up, I will remove this account from my device and it won't affect the shared album at all. So in this way, you can create a secondary storage for your main account, and as there is no limit to account you create, you can keep on creating a number of accounts when the previous one gets filled up.